Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Chef Chantel. Today I will be making orange chicken marmalade stir fry. First you're gonna need boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Then you need to cut them up into slits. Your slits should look like this. Okay, so I'm going to continue cutting this up into slits, and you can also find the recipe directions at www.thegreenplatefoodblog.com. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Chef Chantel, to be notified of new video content. Thanks. Stay tuned. Okay, also be sure that you trim the fat from off of the chicken breast. Okay guys, so now I'm going to drizzle about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in the skillet, and you want to make sure you coat the skillet with the extra virgin olive oil. Now you want to make sure your skillet is hot before you add the chicken breast. Please be sure to set your temperature dial at the number 3. That is between the low and medium temperature. So as you can see, I have added the seasoning to my chicken breast before I put it in the pan. So what I have here is seasoned salt, Italian seasoning, and parsley flakes. I'm going to let this cook on each side for 5 minutes. You just want them to be tender. And also, after this is complete, we're going to put this on a paper towel and let the excess olive oil drain before we get started on making the orange marmalade sauce. Okay, so I've added the orange marmalade to the skillet that has been set on low to medium heat. Place the chicken in the same skillet with the orange marmalade. Okay, cover and let this simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Now we're going to get started on making the stir fry. Okay, so in the skillet, you're going to pour a half a cup of water. You want these vegetables to cook until they're semi-soft. And then after that, I'm going to add the chicken. Okay guys, this is looking really good. Now, if you are allergic to mushrooms, you do not have to add them. You can just omit this ingredient. Okay, so I'm about to remove this from the heat and drain the water off of it. Okay guys, I'm adding some cornstarch just to thicken the orange marmalade sauce up a bit. Okay guys, this is the consistency that you want for your orange marmalade sauce. Know how it is thick, but not really too thick. Okay, now let's pour this delicious orange chicken marmalade on top of the vegetables. Mix it all well in your skillet. Now note, I'm going to be serving this over some jasmine rice. Preferably, you can use any type of white rice or brown rice that you prefer for this dish. Okay, look how delicious this looks. Okay, so let's plate this awesome meal that I've made for us. I'm gonna add the rice. Okay guys, we're all done and it is looking very delicious, and the colors of the vegetables are really popping in this dish. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes to come. Again, please visit www.thegreenplatefoodblog.com for the recipe directions. Thank you for watching, and you all have a blessed day.